Meron ding part nung concert na hindi ko na sinama doon sa in-upload kong video. Yun yung parang nagkukwentuhan sila about their ages. Bale, ito yung video na yon. Hi guys! Good evening! Yes, gabi ngayon kasi wala akong kasama dito sa bahay. Lahat sila ay nag-outing at ang naiwan lang ay ako, si Bonnie at itong si Shadow. At dahil dyan, gagawa ko ng video. Ito yung reaction video ko sa aking naging concert experience sa Backstreet Boys. Itong concert na to, this is my first time of watching and experience talaga yung legit na concert. Kasi in the past years naman, ang na-experience ko lang more on mga theater, musical, ganyan, mga plays. Kasi ayoko din ng masyadong loud music. Hindi siya kaya ng tenga ko. But this time, BSB to, so why not, diba? There's always a first time naman. At bago nyo siguro panoorin din yung video na to, i-check nyo din yung 6 parts na in-upload ko na concert ng Backstreet Boys. So, may iksing mga clips lang yun dun sa mga bawat performance na ginawa nila. Kasi syempre, gusto ko din naman na mag-enjoy ako dun. Ayoko naman na buong 2 hours ng concert nakahawak lang ako sa phone ko na kinukuhaan sila. But anyways guys, before this concert kasi, I came from work pa. Tapos, I went to Lolly's house. Doon kami nakita-kita nila Michelle. Doon ako nagpalit ng damit lang and change. Then, tsaka kami bumiyahe papunta sa Mall of Asia. Initially, dapat kakain muna kami kasi nga gutom ako tsaka si Lolly. Lalo na ako dahil I came from work pa nga, just like what I've said. Then, wala kaming makainan kasi puro puno. So, what we did is pumilan kami para makapasok na kami doon sa loob ng arena. Then, doon na lang kami bibili ng snacks. Kaya lang, past 6:30 na ata nagpapasok noon. So, pumila pa kami para makabili ng coffee. Then, yung plan namin ni Lolly was to buy nung burger, nuggets, hotdog, then malaking popcorn. Kasi nga, gutom kami. So, feeling namin, talagang kakain lang kami habang nagko-concert. But, we ended up buying a burger lang, tsaka malaking popcorn para share na lang kami. Bago mag-start yung concert, buti na lang naubos ko na yung burger ko. But, yung expectation ko talaga was, nakaupo lang ako doon, tapos habang nanonood ng concert, nakikikanta. Ito na nga, nung nag-dim na yung lights, tapos may nag-appear na video sa pinakasimula kasi parang almost 2 minutes muna yun bago talaga lumabas yung Backstreet Boys. Nagtayuan na yung lahat ng tao. So kami naman kahit nasa harap kami, may mga ilang tao pa rin sa harap namin. So nagtayuan na rin sila kaya hindi na rin namin nakita. Bali, tumayo na rin kami para makakuha din ng umpisang part. Then, di namin napansin all throughout hanggang natapos yung concert, nakatayo na lang kami, nakikikanta, nakikisayaw, sumasabay sa groove, and sobra kaming nag-enjoy ng concert na yon. para sa mga batang 90s and millennials na katulad ko, ito talaga yung one of the perfect na concerts na dapat yung mapuntahan. Syempre kasabay din to ng Westlife na isa din naman sa mga talagang sinubaybayan nung panahon ng 90s. Gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, meron akong 6 parts na edited na video clips nitong Backstreet Boys. So lahat ng kantang yon meron ako nilagay doon. Bukod doon sa isa, yung It's Gotta Be You, kasi nag-corrupt yung file ko. Kaya hindi ko na siya nasama doon sa video clip. Niram ko na lang yung cellphone ni Michelle para matuloy ko yung the rest of their performances na hindi ko pa nakukuhaan. And at the same time, what makes this concert unique kasi that's also the exact birthday ni Brian. So may part doon na kinantahan nila si Brian. Kinantahan ng lahat si Brian ng happy birthday with matching harmony nga, ika nga. Meron ding part nung concert na hindi ko na sinama doon sa in-upload kong video. Yun yung parang nagkukwentuhan sila about their ages. Yung part naman yun, it came after kantahan ng happy birthday si Brian. Dahil nga birthday, yun na rin siguro yung naging hint nila para i-segue na yung topic na yun, which is pinag-usapan na nila and sinabi din nila mismo doon sa concert yung mga ages nila nung nag-start yung Backstreet Boys. Sa pagkakaalala ko, parang sinabi nila doon si Nick was 13, si AJ daw was 14, si Howie and Brian were 17 and 18, tapos ang eldest nila is si Kevin, which was 21. Sinabi nga din doon ni Nick na yung mga facial hair daw ni AJ nung mga time na yon is hindi daw yung totoo kasi nga 14 pa lang siya noon. Tapos while si Howie naman at that age na 18, meron na siyang chest hair. Bale, ito yung video na yon.
I'm gonna take this back to my hotel. This looks delicious.
Thank you. You guys sounded gorgeous.
Y'all sounded beautiful.
Hey, you know what? You know what? Birthdays. Birthdays. you know?
AJ, the key word is birthday.
Birthday. Okay, birthday. The day of 30 years old. It's our birthday. Dang. Hey, AJ, you know? And you gotta start somewhere, you gotta go somewhere, but then you gotta go back again. Right?
Why are you going backwards and forwards?
Because I don't know.
That makes no
But
sense.
I will say this, I have a question for you, okay? When we started the Backstreet Boys, how old were you when we first started?
Nicholas, I was 14 years old when we started.
14?
Yeah.
What about you?
I was 21 years old.
Very clearly, I was a very mature 19-year-old. Listen, Howie's not lying. He was so mature at the time. He was so mature at the time. He was the only boy bander and then Backstreet Boy that actually had chest hair. He had chest hair.
And a lot of it.
I'm Latin. I have a lot of pelo.
Still have it.
Brian, how old were you when we first started? Nicholas, I was only 18. You were 18? 18, wow. Yeah. It makes me 48 today. Holy Amen. You're not supposed to say your age, bro. Well, we can add. It's 30 years. Hey, you know what? When I met this guy 30 years ago, right? He walks up to me and he goes, "Hi, my name's Nick." Oh, no, it was back. It was like, "Hi, my name's Nick." I don't know why he thinks this is funny, because it's not. It's 13 years old when I met you, and you know what? I hadn't gone through puberty yet, that's what it was. Like this tall, or that tall. You sounded like Mickey Mouse, you're like, you're still the same height. I was this tall.
In a growth spurt.
Just saying, like,
Yeah, you know.
I look down on you. Hey, don't look down on you. Yeah, anyway, so you can take it from there now. You know, guys, all this reminiscing, it just brings a big smile to my face. You know? Can you see it? I see it. Good. That's
The whole place can see it.
Don't do that again. I'm so happy about this every night. Because this part of the show here takes me back to the early years. Like almost 30 years ago, we didn't have any songs of our own, to be honest. I mean, it's the God's honest truth. We didn't have any songs back in those days of our own. So we would sing songs of every artist we admire. Every artist, American artist, like Boyz II Men, Shy, Jodeci, Calling Me Bad, The Temptations, you name it, we sing a cappella. And now, almost 30 years later, it brings another smile to my face. Because we actually have our own acapella song. We're gonna sing for you guys right now. If you want to hear it.
Put a smile on your face.
You're happy to do myself. I'm so happy, guys.
Thank you.
Alright, guys, let's just sing it for them, okay? Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, let's show you how we used to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Putol yung video na yan. Di ko alam kung sinadya ko na na-stop or na-pause ko lang siya. Dahil putol na siya, hindi ko na lang siya dun sinama sa in-upload ko na video. What's the funny thing pa about watching those videos is parang boses lata kami na hindi namin napapansin nung time na yon kasi nag-e-enjoy lang kami at lahat nakikikanta. Pero tawang-tawa na ako nung napanood ko na yung video. My fire, the one desire when I say I want it that way. Kung mapapansin nyo din yung mga videos ko, sobrang putol-putol siya. Doon pa lang sa exciting part, nawawala na kasi minsan napipindot ko yung phone ko tapos biglang umi-exit sa camera kaya napuputol yung video. Pero madalas talaga, kinakat ko lang talaga siya agad kasi that moment, yung that time, gusto ko lang talaga is mag-enjoy at manood kasi sayang naman yung binayad mo kung doon ka lang nakafocus sa phone at nire-record. Which is, yun din yung nakita ko, marami sa paligid na nagbi-video din sila. Pero sayang kasi, nandun ka na, kaharap mo na sila, sobrang lapit mo lang. Pero sa akin, at least kami naman, tatlo, si Loli and Michelle, talagang nag-enjoy kami, lalong-lalo na si Michelle because siya talaga yung pinaka-big fan ng BSB. Marami rin silang mga kanta dito na hindi ko makakalimutan. Isa na dun yung The One, kasi may part doon na kumanta sila, tapos bigla silang nag-pause. So ginawa ng audience, sila yung nagtuloy ng song, na hindi namin alam, intentional nila yung nag-pause, pero itutuloy din nila after. So nandun din yan sa video na in-upload ko. Yung part na kinanta nila yung No more than mistress and lies. Tapos bigla silang nag-pause ng matagal. Tinuloy naman ng audience. There you are, wild and free, reaching out like you needed me. Tapos biglang pumasok ulit sila. Tapos tinuloy nila yung kanta. Sobrang funny nung part na yon pero sobrang fun pa din. Wild and free, reaching out like you needed me. Helping hands to make. After that, The One, sinunod na agad nila yung I Want It That Way na isa pa nilang hit. Yun yung last two songs na favorite ko talaga before yung encore nila. For me, sobrang memorable nung part na yon, yung last two songs na yon. After nun kasi, nagbow na sila. Although, alam naman namin na meron pang encore. Pero lahat ng tao, sumisigaw pa nun ng more. After that, nag-dim na, tapos pumasok sila ulit. Meron pa silang pinerform na last two songs. And yung pinakahuling kanta na pinerform talaga nila is yung Larger Than Life. Ang sabi ni Michelle, yung kanta daw na yun kasi is para daw sa fans nila. Kaya din siguro yun yung pinaka-last song na pinerform nila. After ng performance nila, meron ng mga confetti. So yun na nga, tapos na nga talaga yung concert. Hindi namin napansin na yung buong 2 hours na yun talagang halos nakatayo na lang kami. Sobrang kabaliktaran dun sa ina-expect ko na nakaupo lang ako sumasabay sa kanta habang pinapanood sila. Kasi sobrang worth it nung binayad namin and yung pinanood namin and yung 2 hours na yun parang sobrang bilis lang. Hindi namin napansin na patapos na. Kasi na-hype pa kami nung mga kante. But it's a wonderful experience. Sobrang saya nun. And parang may pinaplano sila dahil 30th year nila, ewan ko lang kung babalik sila dito sa Philippines, pero wala pa naman silang ina-announce dahil tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung DNA tour nila. At yun lang naman guys, gusto ko lang talagang i-share yung naging concert experience ko dito sa Backstreet Boys at sana maulit pa. At please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.